Good morning. It is 11:30 currently. And well, wait, hold on. Let me check the time. Well, my phone. Yeah, it's about 11:25. What? Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, this is my phone. Oh, you want to know? You're probably asking yourself, if you're not using your phone, what are you filming with? I'll show you. Oh yeah, that's right. I went legit. This is a Sony ZV-1 camera. I bought it for about $800 with money that I had saved over the course of a summer job. And it was just really important to me that I get better audio and better quality out of my videos, because there's two things I want to do. We're gonna film at the beach today, and hopefully we're gonna go down about 20 minutes away to this little weird attraction that I want to film. I couldn't be more happy with it. Super happy with this purchase. So yeah, let's go down to the beach. Back from the beach, decided that I wasn't gonna take the camera, but I will show you the beach tomorrow, because I'm just gonna walk along it. I just wanted to enjoy myself. So now we're gonna go over to Broadway at the beach, which has a lot of cool stuff. So let's go. Hey guys. So now we're at the Boardwalk. They've got a lot of cool stuff here. And well, this is half of the Boardwalk, I might say. This is where all the rides are. A bunch of shops and stuff are about 2 miles to the right, but there is a giant Ferris wheel right there. You got a catapult, you got a drop tower, whatever that other thing is. There's a lot to do. There it is. Wow. That's pretty big. Yeah. So I guess while I'm stuck up here on the Ferris wheel, I'm going to show you guys this. And yeah, like there's some shop over there called the Gay Dolphin, and then beyond the horizon I can see Ripley's Moving 4D Theater. Love those. But yeah, not much else until we get to the top.
To the right of us.
Wow, guys, we are so freaking high up.
Probably has to do with the hotel.
I think I can see Ripley's Haunted Adventure from here. Yeah, no thanks. I won't be going near that. Moving theater though, possibly. Wow. Look at all this. Look at all those people. And, what is that? That green building. Oh, that's Ripley's Believe It or Not. So you got Haunted Adventure, the 5D theater, and you got Believe It or Not right next to each other. That's awesome. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're here at an arcade. It's called the Fun Plaza Arcade. Can you guys see that? We're gonna play a couple games, so follow me. Classic.
Okay, now get ready. Pull the handle to spin the wheel, eh? Looks like you might land a big one out here.
40 tickets, not bad. Not bad
Hey,
at all.
nice spin. 40 tickets, huh?
I'm happy with that. I don't play arcade games for the tickets, I just play for fun. So let's see what else we can do. Wheel of Fortune. Count me in.
Here's the puzzle. Fill in letters for the mega win. Only one letter left. Pull the handle to spin the wheel. Spin, baby, spin.
I'm not gonna get it.
You win.
Okay, 10 tickets, I'll take that. I'll take that.
That letter
standing by.
I don't know if you guys can see this in the shot. This looks really bad. Probably.
Remember, the force will be
So we're at Wheeling Crash here. Hold the handle down to once you can, and time your right to land on the bonus build. Oh, too far. Final lap, I'm in first. I don't know if I can hold on to it. Oh, Pac-Man got me. See that? That's how it's done. Bizarre. It's that bass fishing game, but it's Scooby-Doo thing. Okay, I'll take that.
Oh, you won 10 tickets.
Guys, I got the high score. Awesome. So I think that was 20 bucks wasted. I only got these little two balls, one SpongeBob and the other one's Justice League. I spent 20 bucks for two little balls. That was just, arcades, am I right? Don't go for tickets, just go for fun. That's my motto. Ripley's Moving Theater 5D. I don't know if you guys know, but I love 4D stuff, absolutely obsessed with it. Except it's tough to be a bug at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Hated that show, needs to go. So off camera, I went to go eat some dinner. Now we're back at the hotel. I hope you guys enjoyed exploring around Myrtle Beach. Tomorrow, we're going to look at a very specific thing. That's like 20 minutes away from here. It's on Broadway at the beach. I think it's a really cool thing to do, and I hope you guys will click on the next video, because hopefully I will upload this one and the next one alongside each other once I figure out how to edit all this, because I'm doing it on my new camera. Alright guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And this is Blogger Dude signing out.